This video is for all of you guys with a shoulder pain, especially if you have problems to put on your coat, or for other women to close the bra behind, or for all of you guys who are having pain while you try to reach your wallet from behind pocket. So stay tuned. For this action, we normally need external and internal rotation, right? External and internal muscles are normally overloaded with trigger points, and they're also weak. We're gonna self-trigger point our external rotators, because in my practice I saw that my patients are normally responding very good on this treatment. You will need a tennis ball and a sock. The main two muscles we are going to treat today is infraspinatus and teres minor, and this one lays straight on your shoulder blade. And what you can do, you just put your tennis ball in your sock, one long sock, throw it behind the shoulder. Lean on some hard surface. I have a beautiful palm here, and try to find your shoulder blade and lean on it. And I like to circle around a little bit. Wait, I'm gonna remove my glasses so you see me. And find a spot where you feel it the most. Pressure on 30 to 60 seconds and release. And then move on the whole shoulder blade. Try to find one sweet spot, hold it, and relax. Teres minor is you're gonna find on the lateral side of your shoulder blade. This palm is really not so convenient as I thought. Remember, just try to cover the whole shoulder blade and you are on the safe side. So when we put the tension out from our shoulder blade, from our muscle, you're gonna take the band, and I like to do like this, and we're gonna strengthen up our muscles, elbows by your body, and push it out, external rotation. Repeat 8 to 10 times. You can even hold it for 3 seconds and release. So one set has 8 to 10 repetitions, 3 seconds hold, and repeat it 3 times. Overwhelmed muscles on your shoulder blade, these are external rotators, can spread the pain to your shoulder, to your upper arm, all the way down to your hand. So it's very good if you treat this muscle like we did today with some easy self-treatment technique, and you need to make them stronger. Comment below, I want to hear from you. Subscribe to my channel, like my video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.